Good afternoon. Welcome to your speaking test for this month.
Yes.
Today we will talk about the dishwasher. I will ask you some questions. Please answer in full sentences. At the end, I will also give you a short statement to speak about the dishwasher for 1 or 2 minutes. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's begin. What is a dishwasher?
Dishwasher is the machine that automatically clean dusty dish like plate and cup.
Do you have a dishwasher at your home?
No, I don't have dishwasher at home, but I have seen one before.
How often do you use the dishwasher?
I usually use the dishwasher only when I visit my grandma's house, maybe once a week.
What type of dishes can you put in the dishwasher?
You can put plate, cup, bowl, spoon, and fork in the dishwasher.
Do you think a dishwasher is useful? Why or why not?
Yes, I think dishwasher is useful because it does cleaning well.
Who usually load the dishwasher in your house?
My brother loaned dishwasher after dinner.
What do you do before putting dishes in the dishwasher?
I rinse the food out dish before putting them inside.
Does a dishwasher use a lot of water or electricity?
It uses same electricity and water, but it's usually very inefficient.
It is better to wash dishes by hand or with the dishwasher.
I think dishwasher is better because it's faster and cleaner.
Would you like to have the dishwasher in your home in the future?
Yes, I would like to have one in the future. It make cleaning easier.
Now please speak for 1 or 2 minutes about this topic. Describe how a dishwasher works and why people use it at home. You can talk about what a dishwasher does, the steps to use it, what you like or don't like about it, why some people prefer it over hand washing. Take a few seconds to think, then start speaking when you're ready.
Yes. Dishwasher is a machine that helps people to clean dish at home after meal. First, you put all dusty dish inside like plate and bowl, and then you add cleaning tablet. After that, you close the door and press button to start. The dishwasher spray hot water and soap wash the dishes. It's done. The dishes are clean and dry. People like to use dishwasher because it saves time and easier than washing by hand. I would like to have one in the future because it makes life easier. That's all. Thank you for listening.
Thank you very much. That is the end of your speaking test. You did a good job. Have a nice day and keep practicing your English.